Android phone does not receive calls. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to fix this issue, let's start from the very basic things that we could do, such as restarting our phone. Restarting your phone can reset and reboot your signal receptors and could fix your issue. Aside from that, we could also try turning our airplane mode on and off, just like this, which will do a similar effect, which will reset our SIM and our Wi-Fi. Aside from that, you're also going to try and go to our mobile networks over here. In this page, enable this mobile data over here to allow this device to use mobile data and also use mobile data during VoLTE calls over here. This could force your phone or your SIM to function. And aside from that, also click on our specific SIM over here. Also, over here we have default for calls. Those are possible options for some devices. Ensure that you select it or your SIM card that you are not receiving calls from. Ensure that it is selected over here, whether it's SIM 1 or SIM 2. Aside from that, select also the SIM that is not working for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on preferred network type. Ensure that you have selected the highest network type over here. For me, I have 5G, so I've selected that. But for you guys, it depends whichever is available for you. So simply select the one that is the highest option. After meddling with those, simply try and restart your device once again and see if any of those options work. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.